sky wears a brighter blue, because two hearts are saying I do. In a gown of grace, she walks so boldly, a love so young, yet rich like gold. Priscilla the bride like a queen shows. If with her ease she takes the world slows. Juma waits in his royal stance, eyes locked in a forever glance. Mama Ayabo dressed so fine, her heart is full, her eyes do shine. From baby steps to wedding bells, she's watched her daughter break life's shells. She dances proud, she sways with joy, celebrating her girl, no more a toy. A mother's love, both fierce and true. She raised a queen and now love shines through. Oh, Priscilla and Juma, side by side. In this moment, love can't hide. Dancing into forever, hand in hand, a king and queen across the land. From wine-laced dreams to golden rings, the angels watch as the choir sings. Raise your hands, the drums will play. Forever begins on this wedding day. The morning starts with laughter, bright hair and makeup, soft candlelight. Bridesmaids glowing, fixing her train as blessings fall like gentle rain. Grooms the groom here feel cheerful pride. Juma's smile, he cannot hide. From the suit to the shoes, every detail is tight. Eyes know he's holding love tonight. The aisle is quiet, hearts beat fast. Years of prayers will fulfill. Yeah, the whispers of silent prayer. God, please keep them in your care. And then she walks, her daughter shines, a beauty written in love's lines. Juma waits, both calm and strong. Before they touch, they did so with the torch, with more instruments and rhythm. Oh, Priscilla and Juma, a perfect pair, with Mama watching full of care. The stars align, the crowd stands still, as love commands the air with will. Food offers a splash, the doves arise, a love so pure you see it in their eyes. The music swells and hearts obey, this is more than just a wedding day. The reception starts, the vibe is lit, celebrities walk in dressed legit. You a savage, Nancy, eyes in sight, the dance floor shines, oh what a OT. DJs fly out, the crowd goes wild, Juma and Priscilla groove in style. Ayabo joins with happy feet, she owns the floor, she owns the beat. Paparazzi flash, the crowd cheers loud, the cake is cut, joy unbound from champagne glasses. The bouquet toss is love when stars, no love lost. Oh, Priscilla and Juma, heaven blessed, in each other they found rest. Mama Ayabo's eyes so proud, she raised a queen that stands out loud. Hand in hand through night and day, they'll walk in love, come what may. Dance, oh dance, let the music play. Forever begins on this wedding day. The morning starts with laughter bright, hair and makeup, soft candlelight. Mama Ayabo's eyes so proud, she raised a queen that stands out loud. Hand in hand through night.
Bless his heart forever. So all husbands, you must make sure your wife is next to your heart. That's where the wife belongs. So if you are with your husband and you are sitting to his right, tell him this line, you know.
In the land of joy and unity bright, we celebrate with hearts full of delight. Ayabo shines a star through the night. Priscilla finds love's light inside. Dancing under the moon so high. Stars whisper secrets in the sky. bliss. Moments like these we cannot miss. Smiles that sparkle night and day. Love's magic here to stay. Hand in hand they walk so proud. In the crowd they stand unbound. Stories of love their eyes will tell. In their hearts all is well.
Look after one another. Be there for one another. Care for one another. Love one another till the very end. Don't let no third column come into your marriage. No woman, no man, no previous relationship. We should all be virgins before we marry. Make sure you continue the cycle of life by having really beautiful, God-fearing, wonderful, lovely children that will continue the cycle of life.
Congratulations to you, Priscilla and Ojo. Celebrate the joy today. In love's embrace they stay. Congratulations to you, Priscilla and Ojo. Celebrate the joy today. In love's embrace they stay. Stars whisper secrets in the sky. Laughter echoes love so clear. In their hearts there's no fear. Congratulations to you, Priscilla and Ojo. Celebrate the joy today. In love's embrace they stay. Life's journey filled with endless bliss. Moments like these we cannot miss. Smiles that sparkle night and day. Love's magic here to stay. Hand in hand they walk so proud. In the crowd they stand unbound.
Love that we're sharing. Thank you. All right, so we're going to propose a toast to the couple, right? And I will invite on stage the chief bridesmaid and the best man, Simisola Abubakar and Diamond Platinum will come up stage to propose the toast to the couple. I would also be inviting
East meets West, 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 West, East meets 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 West.
This love story is taking flight. Oh, Priscilla and Ojo, my dancing hand in hand. On this white wedding day, like stars they stand. Mama's tears of joy, hearts a little white with celebrate wine. With celebrities shining, love will hide. Raise your glass, it's a day of cheer. The bride and groom, their moments here. Dance, oh dance, let the music play. Forever begins on this wedding day. Cameras flashing, the guests arrive. Celebrities glowing, the vibes alive. Too much world's just queen around. Laughter and love in every sound. Diabo dances, ageless and free. In her eyes, a daughter's legacy. A mother's prayer, a dream come true. All wrapped in joy and something blue. Oh, Priscilla and Ojo, my dancing hand in hand. On this white wedding day, like stars they stand. Mama say I'm a world of tears of joy, hearts open wide. With celebrities shining, love will hide. Raise your glass, it's a day of cheer. The bride and groom, their moments here. Dance, oh dance, let the music play. Forever begins on this wedding day. In the vines alive, Truma twirls his queen around. Laughter and love in every sound this wedding day. Priscilla's fall, like blessings from above, as two hearts beat with one true love. From every smile you see the laughter and love in every sound. Winning day that feels just right. So boldly, a love so young yet rich like gold. Priscilla, the bride like a queen shows. Every she takes the world slow. To a wait, see this world stands. Eyes locked in a forever plans. Mama Ayapo, dressed so fine. Her heart is full, her eyes do shine. From baby steps to wedding bells.
Everything love. Oh yeah, I mean since last year. But there's one person that we must celebrate, and she will be joining the couple on the dance floor right now. She has absolutely no idea that I'm about to bring her up, and as a matter of fact, this will shock her. You know that sometimes, why are my friends not introducing me to fine men and fine women? Now we're celebrating the person who introduced these two. Please make welcome Chioma Ikaku!
Forever begins on this wedding day. The morning starts with laughter bright. Hair and makeup, soft candlelight. Bridesmaids glowing, fixing her train. As blessings fall like gentle rain. Grooms the groom, his good cheerful pride. Juma smile, he cannot hide. From the suit to the shoes, every detail is tight. Heist know he's holding love tonight. The aisle is quiet, hearts beat fast. Years of prayers were fulfilled. Ayapo whispers a silent prayer.
And I want to say thank you so much. A lot of people don't know that you paid for the hall for the engagement. Yes, she said, this, please give me this. Thank you so much for loving my daughter like your own. I thank you, and I thank you. And I want to prophesy into your life that the next wedding, I will be running up and down for 2 weeks. Is your wedding by God's grace, and so shall it be. On that day, they will replay this video.
She raised the queen and now love shines through. Priscilla Ojo, side by side. In this moment, love can't hide. Dancing into forever, hand in hand. So guys, we have an official after party at Club X at Oriental Hotel. Everything is ready and set up for all of us. Free drinks on Jamie.